Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from TE Connectivity. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, TE Connectivity has just released their first quarter results for fiscal year 2025. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. TE Connectivity is a global leader in industrial technology, focusing on connectivity and sensor solutions. For the first quarter of fiscal 2025, they reported net sales of $3.84 billion, which remained flat year over year. However, they achieved an adjusted EPS of $1.95, surpassing the forecasted $1.89, and generated record first quarter cash flow.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TE Connectivity reported net sales of $3.84 billion, which is flat compared to last year. Despite this, the company has shown impressive profitability. John, can you elaborate on this?
Sure. While the net sales remained flat, the company achieved an adjusted EPS of $1.95, which is above the forecast of $1.89. This was driven by a record-adjusted operating margin of 19%, thanks to strong operational execution. The operating margin stood at 18%, reflecting their efficiency in managing costs and optimizing operations.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. TE Connectivity has also reported record cash generation for the first quarter. Can you tell us more about their cash flow and how they are returning value to shareholders?
Indeed, they generated $878 million in cash from operations, up 22% year over year, and free cash flow of $674 million, up 18%. They returned approximately $500 million to shareholders and invested $325 million in bolt-on acquisitions within the industrial segment, demonstrating a balanced approach to growth and shareholder value.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did TE Connectivity's different segments perform this quarter?
The Transportation Solutions segment reported sales of $2.24 billion, while the Industrial Solutions segment saw sales of $1.59 billion, with double-digit growth. The Industrial segment benefited from increased momentum in AI programs, contributing to a 6% year-over-year increase in orders. Additionally, TE Connectivity was named to the Dow Jones Sustainability Index for the 13th consecutive year, highlighting their commitment to sustainability.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what is TE Connectivity's outlook for the next quarter, and what insights did the CEO provide?
For the second quarter, TE Connectivity expects net sales of approximately $3.95 billion and an adjusted EPS of $1.96, up 5% year over year. CEO Terrence Curtin emphasized their strong operational performance and the potential for growth through bolt-on acquisitions and margin expansion. He expressed excitement about capitalizing on long-term growth opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, TE Connectivity has delivered a solid performance in the first quarter of fiscal 2025 with strong profitability and cash flow. Looking forward, they have a positive outlook for the next quarter. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TE Connectivity's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing TE Connectivity's results. Looking forward to seeing how they capitalize on their growth opportunities in the coming quarters.